always a pleasure to be here at the Africa Health. This is my second Africa Health. Africa is a very important continent for the world, especially for India, because India's strength is in pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and allied industries. And we have found that Africa has very similar problems in healthcare like India. And the solutions are already there in India. Because we share the same socioeconomic profiles, we share the same aspirations of people, we share the same problems demographically and health-wise. So for India, which is a known strength in the world of pharmaceuticals and healthcare, it was a no-brainer that we should mount a big delegation to Africa Health. Africa Health over the years has grown to be a big attraction. It is here that big deals are done, and I understand that over 37 countries are participating in this very huge exhibition. And this is a wonderful opportunity to make contacts, get our people to know the African market, and at the same time, our industry body, FICCI, they are helping them to do the B2B meetings, the buyer-seller meetings, which I believe will go a long way in promoting Indian pharmaceuticals and healthcare equipment providers in Africa. So that's the reason that our companies are here in Africa Health. Expose anywhere. I believe that these are the first exposure for any company. They actually give them that opportunity to liaise, to meet people, and at the same time try to understand the logistics of the game. But they alone cannot contribute to the overall business. Of course, you'll make your links, your contacts, everything, but this is just a stepping stone. And I believe that expose, like today we have about 52 companies from India, and most of them are here for the first time. And these first timers really get that exposure from such expos. Afterwards, they build their own contacts, they know the place, they know the game, and then they start making their own business. But it's always good to have such expos, because as I was earlier telling, it's the first exposure that matters.